Today I made $2,605 in a single trade, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did that. In a moment, I'll break down the strategy that allowed me to find that trade, and then afterwards, towards the end of this video, you'll be able to see that trade happen live as I recorded it as well. So great video in store for you guys today. I hope you enjoy it, and with that, let's jump right in. I know the idea of financial freedom may sound far off to you right now. I know inflation is affecting people worldwide. Nowadays, having one job isn't enough. A second or third job is needed. That's why I'm excited to share with you this video today. I'm not a perfect trader, but I'm a profitable one. And I would love to show you how to replace your job with the income you make from day trading. If you're serious about achieving financial freedom, check the link in the description. We're offering one-on-one coaching sessions that will help you get more than accelerated on your journey of day trading. You'll have all the basics you need to become a profitable trader. This isn't gambling. This isn't a scam or a Ponzi scheme. This is an actual skill that even a child can learn. You see, once under your belt, this becomes a life-changing money-making skill that will never go away. So as you watch the following video, think about being able to change your family's life by putting in the effort to learn something new. In today's day and age, everything is at your fingertips, and that means it's also all in your hands what you want to be. The only question is, how bad do you want it? Enjoy the rest of the video. So to begin, I first started by drawing out our liquidity. We have our sell side liquidity down here, and above here, we have our buy side liquidity. Excuse the terrible drawings right here, but you get the point. Price came up to right here. And then all of a sudden, as we were in this big uptrend, we start to see that the agenda starts to switch, right? We had small pullbacks, right? But then all of a sudden we get that change in character of the price action, because price action starts to send lower. So that kind of signals to me that, okay, maybe we could start looking for some shorts pretty soon, but I'm not going to be 100% sure. I have to wait a little bit more. So I waited for price to come back up here, as we can see, and it wasn't able to continue to make new highs. So price continued to descend down here, but I didn't just immediately enter right there, right? I needed to see a little bit more confirmation, and now that is the thing that makes your trades the best, because if you just jump into trades without getting all the confirmation that you need, then most of the time you will suffer a loss. So I waited a little bit more. We watched this price came up a little bit higher, right? We see price, it pushed back up to this area, and it took some highs right here. This was our previous highest high, right? And price came and shot up here. So that is what gave me my confirmation that we were truly looking for a downtrend. So I waited a little longer. Let me clear this out. I waited a little bit longer, and as price took this high, right, I saw an opportunity right around here. So I entered on a short when we were coming back close to these highs, these previous highs, because I saw that price wasn't able to push past it anymore. So once that happens, you know that we're going towards the opposite end of the program. So I entered in for a short, and I did want to aim. I wanted to aim right here for this low right here, right? I ended up taking my take profit right here. So it was a nice little profit, nice little move right there. We had a good amount of ticks. I forget how many it was, but we were up again, like I said, $2,600. At some point we were floating with profit around like 3,200, but I decided to take my take profit right there. I figured price can continue to this was a very big bullish trend, so looking at it like right now and knowing what happened, obviously later we did end up descending further down, but I was just playing that small trend. I was playing a quick scalp, so I decided to take that scalp, and that was a pretty good profit for me. Some people would of course like to hold this trade all the way till we get to the opposite side of the range, right, which would be over here, and that would have been a great trade, but I was playing a quick scalp, and I'm happy for the amounts of trading that I did. I'm happy for being able to make that trade, and it didn't really feel bad for me to not have continued holding that trade, because well, I needed to do other things with my day as well, and that trade took me not too long anyways either. So I was very happy with that trade, and the mindset that I had going into that trade, and being able to pick up and find trades just like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed that recap. I'm going to show you the trade happen live so that you could see exactly what I did and how I managed the trade. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that part of the video too. What's up, guys? We are in the middle of a trade. We're thinking we're liking this movement. Probably going to aim for the lows right here. I really like what's happening here though, and we're just gonna watch this though, just so that we can still be in control here with what we're earning. So we're just watching. I'm okay taking, what we're getting on the day. That's kind of why I moved my stop to where I did. Just going for a quick scalp. I don't want to see any turnaround here really right now. So we're just gonna take what the market gave us. We didn't get exactly to the tick of where our stop is, but sometimes what happens is we get failure swings or something like that, and sometimes we miss our take profit. But we're very happy with that. Nice quick trade we got into there. And let's see what we got. We were just trading on one account today. That's why we went a little bit like heavy on our risk. So we made $2,605 on that one trade. So that's pretty great, pretty awesome. And yeah, we're happy about the way we traded there. So yeah, real nice movement there. As you can see, we wouldn't have actually gotten to our take profit. Our take profit was right here, but the market started to reverse right here. And it all just depends upon you on whether or not you're really ready to take some more of that drawdown. I know I was going kind of heavy on my size, so I was okay taking profits where I took it. I was kind of seeing that price wanted to do somewhat of a strong push down, so that's why I entered that trade, in hopes to take out the lows over here. But that doesn't always happen. So I was confident in the move though towards the other side of this range. So I took that trade, and it turned out to be very nice, a nice profitable move for us. And we're just gonna watch to see what price continues to do here. I think overall the bias is bullish on the higher time frame, but in the meantime on the lower time frame it can definitely be bearish, because we're so high up in the trend. If you look over here, market has moved so high up here. So this is the high of the range right here, and price very clearly shot up to this area and then started to experience some change in directions. So we decided to get in on some of that move, and that turned out to be a wise decision for that trade. So just quick scalps is what we're doing right here. And just showing that it's very possible for anybody to be able to make this type of money, especially if they apply themselves and they know the right things to look for in the market. We can see it coming before it happens, and that is what you want the most as a trader, to be able to see things coming before they happen and then sticking to that execution of it. So I'm just going to watch here for a little bit and see if we can get in on anything.